Hi, I'm Dr. Tonya. I'm a board-certified radiation oncologist and a breast cancer survivor. I'm committed to helping survivors like you get the hope, information, and inspiration that you need to make your next season your best season after cancer. Today, I'm reviewing products that you can use on your skin during radiation. And today's product is something that you can use when the skin becomes irritated, when you get what we call a radiation dermatitis. That's when the skin becomes irritated, it's red, it's inflamed, it's itching, it's burning or stinging, it can be peeling or flaking. That's when you want to switch to something that provides some analgesic relief for you. And today we're going to talk about Miaderm-L. Miaderm-L is a water-based cream that has 4% lidocaine in it. And it's that 4% lidocaine that is going to really help relieve that stinging, that burning and itching sensation that you're feeling in your skin. It provides temporary relief, so it's not going to be long-term, but you will notice that for a good 30 minutes to an hour that your skin feels better. It's water-based, so the skin's going to pull that water in, and it's going to soothe that dryness that you're having from the treatment, and that skin is going to heal faster from the skin reaction, from the radiation. Now, it does have some fragrance in it. It has, let me open it, has a child safety cap on it. But let me open it. It has a fruity smell to it. Actually smells good. I like that smell. And let's take a look at it. It is a kind of a very thin water-based cream, as you can see. And let me put it on my skin. And it's very thin. It goes on really easily. And because it's so thin, a little bit goes a long way. You're not going to need to use a lot of this on your skin. And anytime that you're using a cream that has lidocaine in it, you want to not use it more than 3 to 4 times a day. You want to only use it 2 to 3 times a day, but you're going to use it every day, 7 days a week. Don't put it on your skin again within 1 hour of your radiation treatment. I'd say put it on after your treatment, then put it on again before you go to bed, and maybe first thing in the morning, but not right before your treatment. And I will have a link below in my description where you can get this cream. Again, this is Miaderm-L cream. So if you liked this review and you want to see more reviews like this, I need you to subscribe to this channel. I send out a new review every week. You can also follow me on social media at drtonyamd.com. That's DrTonyamd.